macOS 26.4 Beta 3 is out. And if you're already on macOS 26.4 betas, this particular update feels more refined and more stable so far. It's a 12.65 gigabytes update, at least in my case, and it drops around 14 hours ago. Now here is the quick verdict. If you're already on beta 1 or beta 2, I would update straight away. And if you're already on macOS Sequoia, there is not a really strong reason to update yet. Also, if you're using an Intel Mac, I would stay on macOS Sequoia for now. Now let's focus specifically on what's on macOS 26.4 Beta 3. Most of the bigger visual changes like compact tabs returning to Safari, updates to Apple Music and podcasts, battery charge limits adjustments and control center tweaks were all introduced in the earlier betas. So beta 3 seems more focused on refinements and just general fixes around. There are early reports suggesting that the network issues some users have been experiencing in previous betas has been fixed, although not everyone can confirm that yet. There is also a change involving age range selection during initial setup on macOS 26.4 Beta 3, and a known issue where some Macs might unexpectedly restart when network extensions are enabled. The control center fade-in animation is now back, which adds a nice visual touch. Now for known issues. The macOS 26.4 installer.app file or macOS tahoe.app file might not work on macOS versions prior to macOS 15, which means you might need to update first to macOS 15, then try the installer file. Some persistent issues still remain from previous betas, involving macOS recovery, external boots on M1 Macs, external media handling, and occasional Touch ID login glitches. In terms of performance, on my M2 MacBook Air with 16GB of RAM, this update feels very nice and stable and good enough to daily drive overall. It's still too early for me to comment about battery life. So I'll update you guys about that after some few days of real world use. So that's everything I've noticed on macOS 26.4 Beta 3 for now. I'll update you guys in the next few days if there are any new changes or anything changes at all.